Bitcoin just had another drop, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly who actually started to dump Bitcoin here. I'm also going to show you a big formation that is happening, so disregard the small time price action that is happening. I'm going to show you everything you need to know and moving forward as well, something that is going to have a big effect on the crypto markets as a whole. So guys, make sure to stick around from the beginning until the end of this video. Welcome back everybody, my name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. So let's get into it, and on the 4-hourly time frame, a couple of things have actually happened. So first is that we have broken this little bit of a trend line we had of making higher lows here. So that has now been broken because we saw a drop from actually almost $60,000. Well, it was $60,000, but we saw a drop down to $58,300. And we came close to the edge of the orange box here, but here the bulls stepped in and we saw, or we're seeing a little bit of a bounce here. So this does not look super good though. If you just look at this formation, you have a downwards move, and then you have consolidation like this. Now this typically leads into another small leg down. The good thing for us is that we do have the very important and strong orange box right here, so that is still, in my opinion, gonna beat support. But yeah, overall guys, Bitcoin is pretty boring. You have this sideways action happening, and yeah, we're just waiting for a decisive move in either direction right now. So this trend has broken, and also you can see that with this high, we have also made a lower high. So you can see right here. So that is important to keep your eyes on the shorter time frames. But on the longer time frames, like on the daily time frame, you can also see that this very defining trend line, this has been rejecting us many times, and even the move yesterday, we came close to this point, but we didn't even manage to get to this line, and we got rejected before then. So that is also on the longer time frame. And if you look at this pattern, which is on the 4-hourly time frame, you do have consolidation inside of a big pattern here as well. So this one is also going to break out. It's not super beautiful, but hey, this is something that we can at least see right now on the chart that is actually forming. So you do have definitely a couple of touching points across the trend line right here and also on the trend line right here. So let us see, this is what is forming right now, and this is going to have a breakout up or down within the next 48 to 72 hours, I would say. So that is what we're keeping our eyes on right now. Do we have any catalyst for what could actually cause this breakout to happen? Yes, we do, because today you're actually going to see Kamala Harris have the Democratic National Convention. So this starts on Monday, and why is this important? Well, just like I said, Kamala Harris is going to talk about a bunch of different things. And you know that the last time she spoke about a bunch of different things, the markets reacted pretty well because she said very crazy stuff. The market perceived that as very crazy, and Donald Trump's odds jumped. Now, right now, it is still 51-47 to Kamala Harris, so she has once again gained a couple of percent. But hey, maybe she can talk us through Bitcoin or Donald Trump actually taking the lead here. So let's see. That could be one big catalyst that the market is definitely watching. Now let us talk about who actually started to sell Bitcoin and why you saw this drop right here. Well, the answer is that it was the institutions in the United States on the CME, because what you can see here is that the 16th of August, this is where they closed, and then they opened up right here. So here is where the CME Bitcoin markets opened up yesterday evening at 10 local time. And then you can see it was just a free fall. And this was isolated to Bitcoin, guys. This was traditional players dumping Bitcoin. They did not dump the traditional markets, which is very healthy. It looks very healthy right now. So on the daily time frame, you can see it's looking like this, which looks really well. You've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green candles in a row. One big red candle here today, or not even big, but one red candle here today. Let's see how this is gonna close. But the traditional markets did very well, but for Bitcoin, for some reason, the institutions started to dump Bitcoin here. So that is the reason why we went down. It came from the United States on the CME. So that is really all I have to say today, guys. It wasn't a lot of content, I know, but the markets are really slow right now. It's more about just waiting, just positioning yourself, and then we will see. But for me, my trades, my trading strategies, they're still going strong. And of course, if you want to get the best deposit bonuses available out there on the best exchanges, then make sure to go down to the description of this video. You have Bybit up to $30,000 by using this link right here, up to $60,000 on OKX, BitGet up to $40,000. And for those of you who cannot use a centralized exchange or want to use a DEX, which is, better from a self-custody standpoint, you do have the opportunity to get a free $300 trade using this link above, but it is limited. So make sure to take advantage of that as soon as possible. Guys, that is what I got for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.